Buongiorno a tutti, welcome back everybody. Yes, we are back in Ligure mobili, in cereale, and today I'm gonna show you a basic recipe, the creme anglaise. Let's divide the egg yolks from the egg white, and we're gonna use just the yolks, mixing with the sugar. That is gonna be our thickener for the creme anglaise.
Don't you be my baby, don't you be my girl, don't you call me sugar daddy, it's too dangerous a world. 'Cause our enemies of enemies who are not our friends. Don't you even touch that coffee, keep lookout, count to 10. 2, 3. Ooh, every day, it's a dangerous world. In nearly every way, they won't live your life easy.
The eggs are ready, so now let's put in a pan cream, milk, and a bit of lemon zest.
It's a simple matter of fact. When you add up the numbers, when you see how the cards are stacked, what's dripping from the faucet, what's lurking in the trees, what's waving through the airwaves and melting in the seas. Every day, it's a dangerous world in nearly every way. You don't let your upset ya. One in danger, sure bound to get ya. You ever stare into a fire for just a bit too long, and you look carefully enough and you see the universe is peeling at the edges? And you know that it's the truth, but you just don't let it on. Sometimes it's better to be dishonest with yourself. It's a dangerous world. Yes, Don't you be my baby, don't you be my girl, don't you call me sugar daddy, it's too dangerous a world. 'Cause our enemies of enemies who are not our friends. Don't you even touch that coffee, keep lookout, count to 10. 2, 3.
La cucine.
It's a dangerous world in nearly every way. They won't live your life at ease, but they won't let you. All them dangers sure bound to get you.
The creme anglaise is ready, so now let's put the clean film on top, touching the surface like for any cream, and store it in the fridge.
The numbers when you see how the cards are stacked. What's dripping from the faucet, what's lurking in the trees, what's waving through the airwaves and melting in the seas. Every
Once it's cold, use it as a side for your dessert or as a base for cream, mousse, semi-freddi. Enjoy!
You don't let your own mortality upset you. One in danger, sure bound to get you. You ever stare into a fire for just a bit too long and you look carefully enough and you see the universe?
So guys, if you like my video, push my small face, little face, round face, I don't know how to call it. And you can find my other recipe over here. So give us a like, comment, and let me know what you think.